In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a course on Skool. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. The first step in this process is to log in to your Skool account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Simply head to the Skool website and fill in your details to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of your Skool community. Now that you're logged in, let's move to the second step, which is to open your community. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find all the groups and resources available to you. Look for the community related to the course you're interested in. Just click on that community, and you'll be directed to a page where you can view all the content shared within that group. Next up is the third step, clicking on the classroom. This section is really exciting because it houses all the various courses available in your community. You can see different coursework or modules set up by instructors. So go ahead and click on the classroom button. Once you do that, it will open up the list of courses available. Now it's time to head over to the course you want to download. This brings us to step 4, opening the course itself. You might see a variety of courses listed. Just find the one you want to download materials from and click on its title. This will bring you to a more detailed page for that course. Now that you're in the course, you should see a series of lessons lined up for you. This is where the content is broken down into sections to make your learning experience more manageable. For our purpose, we'll be moving on to the 5th step, opening the lesson. Go ahead and click on the specific lesson that contains the material you wish to download. Once you're inside the lesson, you are looking for downloadable materials. Many courses come with additional resources in the form of PDFs, zip files, or other downloadable content. So now, this brings us to step 6, clicking on the attached file. Look for any PDF or zip icons, or possibly a button that says Download. If you see any of these, go ahead and click on them. When you click on the attached file or the download button, your browser will either start downloading the file automatically, or it may prompt you with a dialog box asking you where you want to save the file. This is where you decide where on your computer you would like to keep the downloaded material. I recommend organizing it into a specific folder for ease of access later, especially if you are downloading multiple courses. Once you've selected your destination, click the Save button and the download should start. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this process will take just a few moments. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your course content from Skool. Make sure to check the folder where you saved the file to ensure everything downloaded correctly. Remember, having course materials downloaded makes it easier for you to study at your own pace and revisit the lessons anytime you need to. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next tutorial, where we'll dive deeper into more tips for effectively using Skool.